Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths with Karthik. And you all might be thinking why I'm not uploading many videos right now. This is because my class 10th is going on and I don't have much time to make videos. But still, I will try my best to complete the syllabus as early as possible. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start with our exercise. And here, our first question is find the sum of the following APs, first part and second part. In the first part, it is 2, 7, 12, and till 10 terms. We have to find the sum. So the formula to find sum is represented by Sn. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula. Now, I'll erase it because there's not much space. Okay. Uh, okay. So here we all know that firstly we find A, L and D, all these things. So first is A equals to 2. D equals to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So D will be 5. Now N is 10. N means which number of term we have to find out. Now Sn will be n by 2 means 10 by 2 into 2, a is 2, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, which is 9 into 5. Now just solve this. 10 by 2 is 5 and here 4 plus 9 5s are 45. It will be 49 into 5. So it will be 245. I hope this is clear. 45 plus 490, 245. Yes. So this is our answer. Now let's solve the second one. So here again we'll find out A, which will be minus 37. D will be minus 33 minus 37. And minus, it was also minus, so minus minus will become plus. So you should always remember whether the signs are minus or plus, it will always be second term minus first term. So here the D will be 4 and N. N is 12. So Sn equals to N by 2. No need to write this. Yes. 12 by 2 into 2 into A is minus 37. Minus 37 plus n minus 1 means 12 minus 1, which is 11, into D. D is 4. Okay, let's solve this. 12 to 6. 37, 74. Negative 74 plus 44. Minus 74 plus 44 is 30. So 30 into 6. 6 3s are 24. So it is 240. Negative 240. This will be our answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's continue with second. Here it is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8. And you can notice 1.1 is getting increased. So A will be 0.6 and D will be 1.1. 100 terms, still 100 terms. So N will be 100. We'll solve it. Sn equals to n by 2, which is 50 into 2 into A means 1.2 plus n minus 1 into D, 99 into 1.1. Let's solve this. 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. Let's solve 99, 99.9, 99, 18, 10. So 108.9. Now it will be 50 into 110.1. When we solve this, we can write it as 1101 uh, 0 upon 2. Okay, so let's solve this. 11010 when we divide, it will be 55 first, and then 05. 5505 is our answer of this question. So SN is 5505 till 100 terms when we find out. Now this one till 11 terms. So first one will be A, sorry, 1 upon 15. D will be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So we'll just take LCM. 15, 30, 45, 60. So 60 is our LCM, and 15 4 times, 12 5 times. So it is 1 by 60. Okay. Now D is 1 by 60 and N is 11. So Sn will be 11 by 2. In bracket we'll write 2a, 2 by 15 plus n minus 1 into D. So this will be 10 into 10 into 1 by 60. 10 into 1 upon 60. 0 0 cancel out. And by 2, yes. 11 by 2 in bracket. 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Let's solve this. 15, 30. So 30 is the LCM, and 11 by 2 will remain as it is in whole. So 30, this 4, and yes, 11 by 2 and 9 by 30. Okay, now 9 by 30, it will be 3 and 10. Okay, so 3 and 10. 3 by 10, 11 3 the 33, 10 to the 20. So 33 by 20 will be our answer here in this question. I hope this is clear. Now let's see our second question. Here we have to find out the sums, and first and last terms are given to us, but the value of n is not given anywhere. So sum we have to find out it. So a will be 7. Last term is 84. Now D will be 3.5, or you can just write 3 1 by 2 as it is given. Okay. Now 84, 3 1 by 2, 7, these are here the values. Now n will be an equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. We'll have to find n in these cases. So it will be a means 7 plus n minus 1, or you can say 3 to 7 by 2. Wait. 7 by 2 n minus 7 by 2. Now you might be thinking what I have done. Basically, I put the value of d and multiplied it with n and minus 1. So this is what we get. And an we already know, which is this 84. Okay, now let's write it here. So 84 equals to 7 plus 7 by 2 and minus 7 by 2. So 7 minus 7 by 2. See, you can think it in the way 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, means 1 minus 0.5 we'll get 0.5. So 7 minus its half will be 7's half. 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 into n, and here 84. We'll just take the LCM first. So 84 equals to 7 plus 7n upon 2. 84 168 equal to 7 plus 7n. 161 equals to 7n. 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21 equal to n. 23 is our answer. 7 to the 14, then 7 3 the 21, so we get 23 as the value of n. I hope this is clear. Same question we'll get once again. Okay, so 34, 32, 30, and you can see this is decreasing. So again we have to find out the value of n. Firstly a, which is 3, d, which will be minus 2, because 32 minus 34 is minus 2, d. Now an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an is 10 equals to a means 3, 3 4, sorry, 34 plus minus, yes, 34 plus, this is minus 2, so minus 2 into n will be minus 2n, and minus 2 into minus 1 will be plus 2. So 34 plus 2 is 36. Now 10 minus 36 equals to minus 2n. We'll solve this. We get minus 26 by minus 2 equal to n. So n will be 13. So there are total 13 terms. This one is 13th term. So we can just find out the value. Now n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, instead of solving this whole, we can just do n by 2 a plus l. Why? L is the last term, and why we are doing so? Because 2a can be written as a plus n minus 1d. So it can be so 1 is aside, and then the term is forming an means the last term. So a plus l, just put the values. N is 13, 13 by 2. Here a plus l means first term and the last term. First term is 34, last term is 10. So 34 plus 10 is 44, 22. So 286 is our answer here of this question only. Now here next one, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 until minus 230. This might be longer, but still we have to do it. So a is minus 5. Is minus 5. D will be minus 8 minus plus 5. Why? Because see, minus 8 minus minus 5, it will be minus 8 plus 5. But still it will be minus 3. D will be minus 3. Let's erase this thing. Sorry. Yes. D will be minus 3. Now we have to write L equals to minus 230. An will be A means minus 5 plus n minus 1, n we don't know, so n minus 1 into d, which is minus 3, and an we already know. An means the last term, which is minus 230. Now minus 230 plus 5, which is minus 225, equals to minus 3n plus 3. Minus 3n plus 3. It will come here and become minus 228 equals to minus 3n. Minus minus cancel, we can just solve it. 3 into 7, 21, and 3 into 6. This is the value of n. Now let's solve with the formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. N is 76. 76 minus 5 and 230. 76 by 2 and minus 5 minus 230. When we solve it, 38 minus 235. We can just solve it and get the answer. You must solve this yourself. Minus 235 into 38. We'll just come to the next one, and here our third question is starting. Second question with all parts has ended, and third question here it is given that a equals to 5, d equals to 3, an equals to 50, means the last term. A equal to 5, d equal to 3, and l equal to 50. Okay, now let's solve this. 5, 3, 50, and we have to find out n and Sn. N can be found out easily. An means 50 equals to 5 plus 3n minus 3. I have just put the value of d in the equation n minus 1. So we have got this 5 minus 3 is 2, and when we send it that side, it will become 48 equal to 3n. And then we get 16 equals to n. Now n we have got. So Sn will be in the similar way. Sn will be n by 2, means 16 by 2 into a is 5, d and last term is 50. 5 plus 50 equals to 8 times 55. 440. Okay, I hope, and we have got the values of both. Now we have to present also. Answer n equals to 16 and Sn equals to 440. This is compulsory in exam, so that your presentation will look nice and you might get full marks. I guess you will get full marks. Sorry. You will get full marks if you solve it like this. Okay. Yes. Now here second part is a equal to 7 and a 13, means the 13th term is 35. Now we have to find out d and s13, means sum of 13 terms. So basically these are given first term, last term. We have to find out d and the sum of 13 terms, or you can say Sn we have to find out. Let's solve this. So a equal to 7, a 13, or you can say an. You don't have to write this, but still I'm writing this so that you can understand. So a 13, let me choose it. A 13 equal to 35. A13 equal to 35. D we don't know. S13 we have to find out. So first term and last term are given. We can find out. Wait, we cannot. A13, 13 terms means A plus 13 minus 1 into D equals to 35. We have to solve it like this. See, yes, 7 plus 12D equal to 35. Now 12D equal to 35 minus 7 is 28. Now when we cancel, 4 threes are and 4 sevens are and D. So D will be 7 upon 3. D is 7 by 3. Now we have to find out S13 because D we have found out. So S13 will be A plus n minus 1D. But n is already given to us. N is 13. A13 means an, and when we compare a get cancelled, so n becomes 13. N equal to 13. So S13 will be 13 by 2. First term and the last term. 7 plus 35. 7, 6, 42. 42. 21. And 13 into 21. 63, 21, 3, 7. 273 is our answer. 273. Okay, so we have solved it. Firstly, what we did in this question, n was given, a was given, l was given, d was not given, which we found out. When we expand a13, a plus n minus 1d, it becomes, we can find out the value of d. And then we continue this solving by normal formula of Sn. Okay. Now here, given A12 is equal to 37, D equal to 3, find A and S12. Again N is given. Okay, so let me change the color first. Um, yes, red will be visible. Firstly. Okay, now let's continue. A equal to 12 and N equal to 12. Sorry, A is not 12. Yes. N was 12. A is 37. And D is given to us, which is 3. D is 3, A is given, N is given. We have to find A and S12. So A12 means the last term. Last term is 37, N is 12, D is 3. We have to find out A and S12. Again, A plus, oh sorry, yes, here A plus n minus 1 means 11 into 3 equals to A12 means 37. When we solve it, we'll get the value of A. A plus 33 equal to 37. So A equal to 4. A equal to 4. Now S12 will be n by 2 means 12 by 2. First term plus last term. So 4 plus 37. 41. This is Sn, or you can say S12. Both are same. This will get cancelled and here will come 6. 41 into 6. 246. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now two more parts are there of this question. Now here, given A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, and we have to find D and A10. Now this might seem confusing at first, but we have to firstly make an equation, put it in the second one, then find out the second thing, and put it in first one, and then find out the first one thing. So just write the values. A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, 125. Now A3 equal to 15, so we can write it as A plus 2D equal to 15. Am I right? Yes. A plus 2D is 15. So 2D 15 minus 2D equal to A. This will be our first equation. Now S10 equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now here you can see A is present, so we'll just put the value of A from here. When we solve it, S10 is 125 equal to n by 2. See here, on the tail part of S, always n is present, so n equal to 10. Now 10 by 2 is 5, so 5 into 2A. 2 is 2 into 15 minus 2D. 2 into 15 minus 2D. And here n minus 1D plus n is 10. 10 minus 1D means 9D. Okay. 125 by 5. We'll send it this side. So it will become 125 upon 5 equals to 15 to the 30 minus 4D plus 9D. 5, 25. 25 minus 30. See, 125 was there and all these things. This will be equal to 5D. So, when we solve it, D will be equal to minus 1. And from this, we can find out the value of A. A3 was 15. 15. Okay. So let's recheck. S10 equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1D. And S was 10. So n will be 10. 125 equals to 10 by 2 into 2 into A. And A here A was 15 minus 2D. So 15 minus 2D, this became 30 minus 4D plus 9D. And when we send 30 that side, it becomes minus. So our D is minus 1. Now we just put values here. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 15 minus 2 equal to A. So A equal to 17. This is the answer. Now here, given D equal to 5, S9 equal to 75, we have to find A and A9. See here, 17 was A, But firstly we have to find A10. Okay, so A10 will be, I'll have to make some space. We'll solve here. A plus 9D equal to A10. A10 is A plus 9D. Now A was 17 plus minus 9 equal to A10. So 17 minus 9 is 8. This is our answer. Let's continue. We were continuing with this. So D equal to 5. S9 equal to 75. S9 equal to 75 and D is given to us, which is 5. Okay. Now N is present, D is present, S9 is present. So we can just put the values and get the value of A. So S9 is 75 equal to N by 2 means 9 by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is 9 minus 1 means 8 into D is 5. Yes. So 9 minus 1 is 8 and 8 into D, which is 5. So 8 fives are 40. We get 40. 20. So since divide is present inside, so it will be divided by both 2A also and 40 also. It will divide both. So firstly we can cancel 2A with 2, which so A will be left, and here 40 will get cancelled by 2 20 times. So it is A plus 20. 75 equal to 9A plus 9 into 20. 9 to the 80, 180. Now when we send it that side, it becomes 75 minus 180 equal to 9A. Let's start. 75 minus 180 minus 105 equal to 9. It will become minus 105 by 9 equal to A. When we cancel 35 minus 3. So minus 35 upon 3. A equal to minus 35 upon 3. So A9 will be A plus 8 into D. A is minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D, and D was 5. So 8 into 5 means 40. 120 minus 35 upon 3. 85 by 3. This will be our final answer. And here, our first part of this exercise. Exercise 5.3 ends. And from the next video, I will continue with our next further questions of this exercise. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.